Got a working machine, and it looks nice. Sold to the man in black. Welcome, people. Welcome to another exciting episode of Project Lone Wolf, where we will be attempting to sell this bad boy. I don't know if you guys recognize it from our Gocart project. It's hooked up now. You guys already saw this back part right here for a passenger in the back. I rigged up a quick canopy for it because the sun out here is devastating, obviously. We got all the lights hooked up to this 12-volt lead acid battery. We also no longer have to reach back here to turn the engine off. I got it hooked up to this switch now, so everything's working good. Everything is looking good. Just a little thing for your phone there. Throw the GPS, Google Maps or whatever, and you could find out how fast you're going. It's a neat method right there. Also, we have this rigid light cannon, 2500 lumens. This is awesome for riding at night, guys. So if you guys could picture all this at nighttime, you got like a law enforcement grade light there. And we got these other floodlights here, which there's no lack of light at night, guys. That 12-volt lead acid pushes it just fine. We're here on this beautiful summer day trying to sell this bad boy. You guys know, if you guys are following my channel, you guys know the work that went into it. You also know the amount of money we spent on it, more or less. So we're gonna see if we could sell this guy for that price.
1 hour later.
Where did the go-kart go?
Sold! Guys, we sold it. It vanished into thin air because it didn't even last a week, guys. We put it up for 1,100. We ended up settling for 900 bucks. We did make about a $400 profit on that. We can't complain on that, guys. Project Lone Wolf. Stay tuned for more.
Oh, what the?